Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the file has both the dubbed and original audio tracks. You need to know which track is active. Open your editor and import the video into a new project. Make sure to import all audio streams. Once done, scan the timeline to locate the dubbed track region and label tracks clearly so you don't confuse them. You do this because separating tracks prevents accidental deletion of needed audio, and it speeds the removal process. Now you isolate the dubbed track. First, unlink audio from video if linked, then mute or delete the specific dubbed track. If the dub is mixed into the original, use spectral editing or a dialogue separation tool to extract unwanted voice. This preserves the native audio underneath. Once isolated, replace gaps by aligning the original track or applying matching room tone. Make sure to crossfade edits to avoid clicks and to keep dialogue continuity natural for the listener. Finish by exporting the project using the original codec and bitrate so you don't introduce artifacts. Choose a container that supports multiple audio tracks if needed. Once exported, review playback on different devices and confirm lip sync and levels are correct. If you notice residual artifacts or missing ambience, go back and adjust separation strength or perform manual spectral repair. A key tip: if things go wrong, revert to your backup copy and try a less aggressive separation setting to preserve audio integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.